Hi, I cooked, so I thought I would share with you because I think it's going to turn out really good. So I'm making a chicken tetrazzini, only there's really enough that I needed to put it in two dishes. So I think I'm actually just going to do this one tonight and then put this one in the freezer, wrap it up. But this is what my mother-in-law did for our Christmas dinner, and oh my gosh, it was so delicious that I wanted more leftovers or whatever. So I'm got a recipe and I'm making my own, and so the only thing I haven't done is put cheese on the top before it goes into the oven. But again, I'm the worst cook ever, so if I can do it, I think anybody can. And I'll probably try to put directions on the screen. But basically, I made a pound of chicken in the crock pot, and then I boiled spaghetti, the whole package, in the pan, and then I mixed cream of mushroom soup and cream of chicken soup and the whole tub of sour cream and a stick of butter and a half a cup of chicken broth and half a teaspoon of pepper and salt, and stirred that up, put in the chicken, added the noodles when they were cooked. It said to spray my pan down, but I also decided I was going to put parchment paper in it because I really don't like to clean dirty pans. I don't like to cook because I think this mess that I've got going on in the kitchen now bugs me. But anyway, hopefully it will be worth it. So again, I'm just going to put this on top. I'm actually thinking of just putting it on the one that I'm eating tonight and writing myself a note that it needs to go on this one that I'm going to put in the freezer. So yeah, I guess I'll let you know how it is. Actually, this is kind of funny, but I already dug in. This is my second little scoop because my husband isn't even home from work yet, but it looks so good and I was so hungry I just decided to taste it anyway and forgot that I was gonna film it for you a little bit. So anyway, I'm really pleased and it's quite delicious. Thanks, bye.